very nice. Oh, look at the ghost.
Sieben auf einen Streich.
The girl looks as if she was part of the garden. That is creepy.
No. Well, I'm glad the weather's kept all the people away then.
Yeah, that's right.
This is kind of nice.
Oh yeah, definitely. Usually on weekends it's really crowded. This is the so-called gingerbread house
Uh-huh.
where we just saw.
Ah. There's Pinocchio.
Yep.
And the whale. We're going in the whale like Pinocchio did.
Oh.
Remember?
I don't know. Oh.
Yeah, Pinocchio got swallowed up by a whale.
Really?
So now we're in the whale's belly.
I see. I didn't know. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Ah, this makes sense. We were at the end of the road instead of in front. That's why I made us go the other way.